Very good. Our topic yesterday was fraction. Now, what are the three parts of fraction? Did you still remember? What are the three parts of fraction? First, it starts with letter N. What is it? No. What is that?
Numerator.
Yes, very good. Numerator. And what do you call to the line? It starts with letter F. To the line between the numerator and the other part. What is it? Fraction. What is it? Fraction bar. Can you say it? Fraction bar.
Fraction
Bar.
And the third part, what is it? It starts with letter D. What is that? Dina?
Denominator.
Very good. Those are the three parts of fraction. So, if you are ready, let's start. All right, once again, welcome to Math 4. And now, for our routine, we have, or you have, how many rules do we have? How many rules that you need to follow? Is it 1, 2, 3? How many? We have 2 rules. What is it? What is the rule number 1? Can you read it for me? Always
Always turn your camera on.
very good. Always turn your camera on. And what is number 2 rule or our second rule? Can you read it? Turn off.
Turn off your microphone.
Yes, very good. Turn off your microphone. And also, you should be ready for today. Okay? So remember these rules. Now, let's proceed to our learning outcome, which is this is the thing that you will learn today. So, you students will be able to again define fraction. Second, identify the parts of fraction. And the third one, identify the parts of fraction. So, in our discussion, we will encounter all these objectives. Now, yesterday, how many vocabularies do we have? Did you still remember? How many vocabularies that we have yesterday? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many?
3.
3. So, yesterday we have 4 vocabularies. So, first we have, can you read it? What is it? Can you read this? Fraction.
Fraction.
Okay, one more. Let's read it one more time. Fraction.
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 Okay, very good. Next, what is it?
Numerator.
One more, numerator. Can you read it? Numerator. Okay, what is numerator in Thai? Teacher Yek explained it yesterday. So what is it? Tua. Numerator is the upper number na? Upper number. What is it? Yes, very good. Good job. Next, we have denominator. Can you read it? Denominator. Okay, what is denominator in Thai?
ตัวส่วน
Yes, very good. And also yesterday, this one. This is the new vocabulary. Can we read it? Proper fraction.
Fraction.
Okay, one more. Proper fraction.
Fraction.
Okay, next. Another vocabulary we have improper fraction. One more. Improper fraction.
Fraction.
Okay, remember na? Im. This is a letter M. Improper fraction. One more. Go.
Fraction.
Okay, very good. Next, the last one we have mixed number. Can you read it? Mixed number.
Number.
Very good. So these are the vocabularies that we have for today. One more, let's read it. Fraction.
Fraction.
You can read it again. Next,
Fraction.
numerator.
Numerator.
Denominator.
Denominator.
Proper fraction.
Proper fraction.
Okay, next. Improper fraction.
Proper fraction.
Very good. And the last one we have mixed number.
Mixed number.
Okay. Yes. Again, these are the vocabularies that we have for today. So, again, what is it? What did you see on the screen? Pizza. So, yes, like what I've said yesterday, always remember this saying. Sharing is caring. Can you read it? Sharing is caring. So, remember this saying, when you give something to the other people, to your mother, father, brother, and sister, it shows also the love and care. Next. Yesterday, we've talked about, what is it? How will you read this word? Fraction. By the way, what is fraction in Thai? What is it in Pasatay? What is fraction in Pasatay? Set. What is it? Yes, can you say it louder? One more, what is fraction in Thai? Very good. So, let us review our topic yesterday, which is, what is fraction? Okay, can you read it? It is
It is
unequal part of whole. What do you mean by whole? Whole means stem, okay? Whole means stem. Now, example, and also when we say fraction, it says equal. What do you mean by equal in Thai? What is equal in Bahasa Thai? How? Yes. When we will make a fraction, we will make sure that it is always equal. Now, I have here a cake. Yesterday, we've talked about this. If you will get one slice of cake, it means you eat or get the one part of a cake. One part of a cake only. Here, this one only. Next. What is it? This one. What is this? This is a chocolate, right? Who likes chocolate?
me.
Who likes chocolate?
Me.
Oh, so how many bars of chocolate do we have? How many equal bars of chocolate do we have? Can you count it? One,
One,
two,
One,
three,
three,
four,
four,
five,
six.
six. So we
correct.
have six equal parts of chocolate. Now, let's say you will eat this part. Now, how many parts did you eat? How many parts did you eat? Here it
One,
is one. Only one? How many parts did you
two,
eat?
two.
Yes, you eat two parts of chocolate. Can you read it? Two parts
Two
of
parts
Twelve
of
chocolate.
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 Yes, very good. So we are done in fraction. Remember, fraction, it is an equal part of a whole. Next, aside from fraction, what is it? This is
Pizza.
pizza. So same yesterday, we will cut this pizza into how many parts? How many equal parts do we have?
Two, four.
Four
Four.
equal parts. Yes, make sure they are all equal na. Here, there is the word equal. We will cut that pizza into four equal parts. Now, one pizza will be given to student 1, and the other one is for student 2. The other part is for student 3, and the last part is for the student 4. So, we will make sure that when we cut, this is always equal. Next, what shape is it again? Is it a circle?
No.
No, what shape is this?
Oh.
Heart. So I want to cut this heart into two parts. If I will cut it here, is the part of the heart equal?
No.
No, it's not. So we will not call it a fraction because this one here, is it big or small? This part, is it big or
Small.
small? It's
Small.
small. And this
Small.
one is big. So this is not a fraction. Now, again, let us recall the parts of fraction. So we have, how will you read this number? What number is it?
Three.
Three. Three.
Three.
Yes. How will you read this fraction? 3.
Three
Three
over
over
eight.
eight.
Yes, very good. 3 over 8. So, what part of fraction is number 3? Is it a numerator or denominator? What is
Numerator.
it?
No.
What is it?
No.
Numerator.
Yes, very good. This number 3 is numerator. And this line, what do you call to that line? What part of fraction is it? This is
Over.
yes, it can be an over, but we we say it fraction bar. Can you read it? Fraction bar.
Fraction.
Yes, very good. And the last part is number 8. What part of fraction is it? Dena?
Denominator.
Yes, very good. This is denominator. So, what is denominator? Denominator is, can you read it? It is
Is
the total
the total number
number
of
equal
parts.
parts. So when you will have a circle or a rectangle, we will cut it into how many equal parts do we have here? Can you count it? 1. Can you count it for me? How many equal parts do we have?
Eight.
Equal parts, what is the total? How many parts do we have? We have here the denominator. What is the total equal parts? How many is it? 1, 2,
One, two,
Two,
3,
three,
4,
four,
5,
five,
five, six,
seven,
7, 8.
8. So how many total number of equal parts do we have? We have 8. That is our denominator. You will cut it into the 8 parts. Now, this numerator, what is numerator? It shows how many parts you have. Or when we say numerator, it is the part that you need to color. You will color it. So how many parts that you need to color? Is it 3 or 8?
8.
Oh, is it 8? Numerator, numerator. Numerator, the part that you will color. So what is it? What is it? Is it 3 or 8?
3.
3. So we will color 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. That is our numerator. Okay? Next. Okay, we are done identifying the parts of fraction. Now, for our new topic, we will study about types of fraction. Can you read it? Types of fraction. On the way. Types of fraction.
Of
type
fraction.
of fraction,
Okay, very good. So in types of fraction, we have 3 types. Okay, I repeat. We have 3 types. Number 1, proper fraction. Can you read it? Proper
Fraction.
fraction. Okay, next, number 2, improper fraction.
Improper fraction.
Okay, next, number 3, mixed number.
Mixed number.
Again, how many types of fraction do we have? How many types?
3.
3, very good. So what is number 1? How will you read it?
Proper fraction.
Very good. And number 2, what is this?
Mixed proper fraction.
One more. Improper.
improper
Improper fraction.
Very good. And number 3, what is it?
Mixed number.
Okay, good job. This is mixed number. Now, let us define one by one. First, number 1, proper fraction. So what is proper fraction? Okay, here this one. Proper fraction, the numerator, can you read it? The numerator
The numerator is
is smaller than
is
smaller than
smaller than
its
its
denominator.
denominator.
Okay, I will read that. Teacher Karen will read. The numerator is more than its denominator. So let us know first, again, what is numerator in Thai? What is numerator inภาษาไทย? Anyone? Who can tell me what is numerator in ภาษาไทย? Tua set. So where do I need to put it here? Where is the numerator? Up or down? Where is the numerator? Up or down?
Up.
up,
Up. Yes, very good. So this is numerator. Very good. Next, what is denominator in Thai? What is it in ภาษาไทย? Denominator, what is it? Tua.
ส่วน
So where do you need to write denominator? Up or down?
down.
Down. So teacher Karen will write it here. D. Denominator. Now, when we say proper fraction, it says small. Oh, look, small. Small แปลว่าอะไร What is small in Thai?
น้อยกว่า
น้อยกว่า so meaning the numerator is smaller than here น้อยกว่า smaller than its denominator. So teacher, what is it? If the numerator is small น้อยกว่า your denominator is bigger. Big แปลว่าอะไร What is big in Thai?
ใหญ่
Yes, so remember, proper fraction. I repeat, proper fraction. The numerator is smaller than น้อยกว่า smaller than its denominator. Example, in fraction, I have here, how will you read this? 5
5 over 12
Yes, very good. 5 over 12. So, what number is your numerator? What number is the
Five.
numerator? 5. What is the denominator?
12
12. So, when we say proper fraction, look, 5 and 12. Which number is smaller than? Which number is smaller than?
5
5 and 12. 5. So this is smaller, น้อยกว่า. How about 12? Is it bigger or smaller?
bigger
Bigger. So that is proper fraction. Numerator, น้อยกว่า denominator. Okay? Easy?
easy
So, can you give me one example of proper fraction? Oh, teacher Karen, I gave it 5 over 12. How about you? Can you give me one example? Any fraction. What are the other examples of proper fraction? 1, 5 over 12. What else? Can you give me?
4 over 7
Yes, very good. Correct. 4 over 7. Numerator is small. Denominator big. This is correct. What else? Oh, another example. Oh, you need to think.
1 over 2
4 over 2. Oh, 4 over 2?
1 over
Is it 4 over 2? Okay, look at this. 4 over 2. Is it proper fraction? Yes or no?
no
No, it's not. Yes, very good. So, why? Look, which number is bigger? Which is bigger, 4 or 2? 4 is bigger and 2 is smaller. So, this is not proper fraction. Oh, what else? How about this? How about this example? Okay, wait, I will erase. How about this example? Tell me if this is a proper fraction. Okay, wait. Okay, how about this? 1 over 2. Is it proper fraction? Yes or no?
yes
Yes. Why? Because the numerator is smaller than its denominator. Oh, can you give me another example? We have 5 over 12, 4 over 7, 1 over 2. Any example? Can you give me?
2 over 6
What is it?
2 over
4? Yes, 4 over 6. Correct. This is correct. 4 over 6. What else? Can you give me another example? What else?
100 over 1000
Okay, very good. That is correct. Yes. 100 over what?
1000
Yes, this is correct. 100 over 1000. How about this example? 7 over 9. Is it proper fraction? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. How about this one? 6 over 15. Is it proper fraction? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. How about this? 9 over 2. 9 over 2. Is it proper? Yes or no?
No. No.
No, it's not. Right? How about this example? 4 over 10. Is it proper fraction? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah, so can you give me another example? Who wants to give me? What are the other examples? Can you give me at least one?
3 over 5.
Yes, very good. 3 over 5. So all of these are example of, can you read this? What is it? Proper.
Proper fraction.
Yes, proper fraction. What is proper fraction again? The numerator. What is proper fraction? Can you read it? The numerator
The numerator
is smaller than
smaller than
its
its
denominator.
denominator.
Okay, listen to Teacher Bo. Teacher Bo will tell you what is proper fraction, okay?
Nói hòa.
Okay, thank you, teacher. All right, group 2. Is it easy?
Easy.
See.
Yes, very good. So number 1, proper fraction. So let's proceed to the number 2. What is it? What type of fraction is it? Im. What is it? Can you read it for me? Improper.
Improper fraction.
Okay, I only have one student. Only Saria. Where are the others? Can you read it for me? 1, 2, 3, go. Improper fraction.
Improper
Fraction.
Okay, very good. So what is improper fraction? Look at this. Okay, improper fraction, the numerator, again, what is numerator in Pasatay? What is it? What is numerator in Pasatay? Tuwa. Oh, where are the group 2? What is numerator in Thai? What is it in Thai? Tuwa.
ตัวเศษน้อยกว่าตัวส่วน
Okay. What is it? So, when we say improper fraction, remember na, the numerator is bigger. Oh, salapkan. Bigger. Bigger, what is bigger in Thai? What is
ใหญ่
it?
Yes.
Yes, very good. So, the numerator here, the numerator is bigger than its denominator. So, meaning, our denominator is smaller, right? Numerator, bigger. Denominator is smaller. Okay? Tua set, makwa, tua. What is it?
ส่วน
Tua. What is denominator in Thai? What is it in Thai?
ตัวส่วน
Okay, so remember that improper, I am not, improper fraction. The numerator is bigger than its denominator. Now, example, this one, 7 over 5. Can you read it? 7.
7/5.
Yes, very good. So what number is numerator? Which number is numerator? 7 or 5?
7.
7. So number 7, is it bigger or is smaller?
Bigger.
Bigger.
Bigger. Yes, so bigger. How about 5? Is it bigger or smaller?
Smaller.
Smaller.
Smaller. So this is improper fraction. Okay? Is it easy?
Easy.
Now, if easy, can you give me one example? First, I gave 7 over 5. What else? Can you give me one? Okay, you need to think. Numerator, tuwas set mapwa, tuwas 1. What is it? Can you give me an example? Where are the group 2?
6/4.
Yes, very good. 6 over 4, correct. This is improper fraction. What else?
10
What
over
else?
9.
What is it?
Huh?
7. What is it? Can you say it louder one more time?
10 over 9.
Okay, good job. This is 10 over 9. This is one of the example of improper fraction. And one more thing. Improper fraction if here 9 over 4. Improper fraction. And also we have another example. What is it? How will you read this one? How will you read this fraction? Here. What is it?
10/10.
Okay, very good. 10 over 10. This is an example of improper fraction. If the numerator is the same to the denominator. Numerator and denominator is also improper fraction. Example, 1 over 1. Is it the same? Is it the
Same.
same? Same. So that is improper fraction. So can you give me another example? Can you give me another example? 7 over 5, 9 over 4, 10 over 10. What else? Where are the group 2? Can you give me another example? What else? Can you give me one club? Group 2, one club? One club? Two club? Okay, now give teacher Karen another example of improper fraction. Who wants to give me an example? Saria. Saria, can you give me another example? Where are the group
5.
2?
5/2.
Yes, very good. 5 over 2. That is correct. What else? 5 over 2, correct. What else? Okay, I will call Natasit. Natasit, can you give me another example?
5 over 1.
Yes, very good. 5 over 1 is also an improper fraction. How about Panumet? Panumet, can you give me an example of improper fraction? Panumet. Where is Panumet? Okay, next, Piracorn. Piracorn. Where is Piracon?
Hi, teacher.
Can you give me an example of improper fraction, Piracon? Saria Bok, 5 over 2. Natasit Bok, 5 over 1.
6
How about
over
you,
4.
Piracon? Yes, very good. 6 over 4. That's correct. Next. Oh, pasatay, mutloy. I cannot read. Next. Kasi, ano is it? What is it? Kasi Kurt Siri. Kankawin. Who is this? Okay, so again, I cannot read your name because it's in Thai. Another example, 15 over 13. Next, last one, 21 over 5. All of these are example of improper fraction. Now, 1 over 6. Is it improper fraction? Yes or no? 1 over 6. Is it improper? Yes or no? Oh, group 2. 1 over 6. Is it improper? Yes or no?
No.
No, very good. No, it's not. So what is it? If this is not improper, what type of fraction is this? Proper fraction. Yes, very good. Now, proper fraction finish. Improper fraction. Listen to teacher, but teacher Bo will explain improper fraction. Where are the group two?
เสียงค่ะ มันเท่ากันครับ
เท่ากัน
ก็จะแล้วครับ
เข้าใจ
Okay, thank you, teacher. All right, group two, can you give me one clap? One clap? Claps? Okay, again, before we proceed to the number 3, let us recall. What is number 1? What is number 1 type of fraction? Did you still remember? Number 1, proper. What is it?
Proper fraction.
Very good. And what is number 2? Here, number 2, what is it?
Improper fraction.
Okay, very good. One more. I only have one student. Again, what is number 1? Proper.
Proper fraction.
Very good. And number 2, what is number 2?
Improper fraction.
Very good. Now, proper fraction, improper fraction, number 3, very easy. Number 3, can you read it? What is it?
Mixed number.
Okay, mixed number. One more time. Mixed number.
mixed number
Okay, what is mixed number? When we say mixed number, okay, let's read it. It is a number
a number
that
That
consists
consists
of a whole number.
of a whole number.
Whole number, found it in listen carefully. When we say whole number, it is 10. Okay? 10. Example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. Those are the whole number. And, what is it? And a proper fraction. Let's read it one more time. It consists, oh, no, it's not. It is
It is a
a number that
that
consists
consists
of
of
a
a whole
of
number
whole
and,
number and a
what is it? Proper.
fraction.
Okay, so teacher, what is the example? Again, let us recall. What is proper fraction in Pasatay? Teacher Bobo Cleo. Proper fraction, Pewalay. What is it in Pasatay? What is it?
เท่ากับตัวส่วน มากกว่าตัวส่วน โอเคตัวเศษมากกว่าตัวส่วน
อันนี้เรียนเรื่องเศษเลย
Okay, so for you to clearly understand, I have here an example. Look, one of the example of mixed number is this. 2. Look at this. This number 2, this is what we call whole number. Okay? 2. And this, how will you read this number? What is it? 3.
3 over 9.
Okay, very good. 3 over 9 is an example of proper fraction. Why is it proper fraction? Because the numerator here, the numerator is smaller than, is smaller than its denominator. Okay? I repeat. Mixed number, it has whole number and proper fraction. Now, how will you read this? Teacher, how will you read this? 2 and 3 over 9. Okay, let's read it again. 1, 2, 3, go. 2
and 3 over 9.
Yes, very good. That is an example of mixed number. Another one. How will you read it?
8 and 8 over 15.
Very good. 8 and 8 over 15. How about this?
1 and 7 over 10.
Okay, good job. Next, this one.
7 and 5 over 15.
30. Very good. And the last one, how will you read this?
4 and 2 over 5.
Very good. So all of these are examples of mixed number. Now, group 2, can you give me one example of mixed number? Can you give me? Oh, I gave it 5 examples. Now, group 2, can you give me at least one example?
3 and 1 over 2.
Yes, very good. 3 and 1 over 2. Correct. This is an example of mixed number. What else? Can you give me another one?
2 and 2 over 3.
Yes, very good. 2 and 2 over 3. Good job. What else? Another example. Another example. 3 and 1 over 2, correct? 2 and 2 over 3, correct? What else? Anyone? Oh, where are the group 2? Can you give me another example? Oh, 6. And what fraction? 6 and what fraction do you want?
6 and
7 over 9.
Yes, very good. 6 and 7 over 9. What else? What else? Oh, 8. What else?
1 and 6 over 10.
Yes, very good. 1 and 6 over 10. These are the examples of mixed numbers. Again, let us recall. Before we proceed to our game time, let us recall. What is number 1 type of fraction? What is number 1? Proper fraction. Number 2, what is it?
Improper fraction.
Number 3, what is number 3?
Big number.
Yes, very good. So those are the types of fraction. Now, let us proceed to our game. It is very easy. So, are you ready?
Ready?
Okay, so let's start. Now, in our practice game, we will know or we will put the group of each fraction. What type of fraction is this? Number 1, can you read it? Proper. What is it? Proper. Number 2, what is it?
Improper fraction.
improper fraction.
And number 3, what is this?
Mixed number.
Fraction.
Okay, mixed number. Now, let's start. What type of fraction is 22 over 10? What type of fraction is it? Is it proper, improper, or mixed? Is it number 1,
Fraction.
2, or 3? What number is it?
Improper.
What number? 1, 2, or 3?
2.
2, very good. So 22 over 10 is improper fraction. How about this one? 12 and 3 over 7. What is it? What type of fraction is it? Oh, where are the group 2? Is it proper, improper, or mixed?
3.
What is it?
3.
Okay, 3. This is mixed number. How about 15 over 21? What is it? 15 over 21. What is this?
1.
Very good. This is number 1, proper fraction. Next, 36 over 40. What is it? Proper, improper, or mixed?
2.
Look, 36 over 40. Noikwa. Kapmakwa. What is it?
1.
Who says 1? Who says 2?
1.
36 over 40 is? Yes, very good. 1.
Yay.
Proper fraction. How about this?
เดี๋ยว
1 and 6 over 8. What is it?
3.
Yes, very good. This is mixed number. Oops, how about this? 14 over 14. What is it? Proper, improper, or mixed? Very good. This is number 2.
2.
How about this one? 56 over 34. What is it?
2. 2.
Very good. This is number, oh, tell me 1. This is number 2 na? Oh, teacher can
2.
repeat. Number 2. 56 over 34. Next.
Cháu nó cứ mấy giờ ha bà.
4 and 5 over 18. What is it?
3. Number 3.
Number 3. Very good. And the last fraction. 72 over 90. What is this?
1.
Number?
1.
Ito may 3. O, salapkan. Teacher Pitts. Number 1. So, it's easy, right? Is it easy? Okay, so for your seat work, look at this. For your seat work, let's wait. 4, 3, 2, 1. For your seat work, get your worksheet again. Yesterday na, you answered it yesterday. I want you to write, Penkihan, I want you to write what are the proper fractions, what are the improper fractions, and mixed number. Understand? Get your worksheets. I want you to write what fraction is proper, improper, and mixed number. Did you understand?